Great to be with you this week. The word this week that's been floating around is rekindle. What does it mean to rekindle? Well, it means to revive, to renew, to make a connection with another, to rekindle our joy and our passion in our life. This journey, our life, is about finding the answers to these questions. Most of life, it's about discovery. We try something, it doesn't work, we try something else. It's about ebb and flow. Different jobs, different professions, people in our lives, everything changes for the better. We could be in our 50s, our 60s, our 70s when some of these answers come, but it's okay because we're supposed to be reinventing, learning, and exploring as each of these decades come upon us. But you want to know the secret? I think the biggest thing to rekindle is the connection with ourselves. We're constantly giving away our energy and our time to others, to projects, to Zoom, to our electronics. How about we rekindle the connection with ourselves? It's not easy. It's a commitment to walks. It's a commitment to finding a few moments of quiet. It's a commitment to our breath and our food and our sleep and all the self-care that I talk about all the time. It's a commitment to ourselves, self-care, thinking of ourselves. What do we need first so that we can engage with others being the best version of ourselves? So it's real simple this week as we think about rekindle. The action item of this week is to ponder the question of what do we need to rekindle in our life? What habits could we change to bring more spark and more joy? What can we rekindle with? What are our passions? Think about that this week. And so my word of the week is self, because we need to rekindle our connection to self. The S is to see the possibilities. We make these small changes, they add up over a long period of time. The E is for eager. We should be eager for each day. We should be looking forward to each day. We should be looking forward to the people and the projects and the events in our life. The L is to listen. Listen to our intuition. These little voices, they whisper to us, or our gut, it's telling us something. Listen. That is the path. That is the truth that we need to follow. And F is to find, to discover, and to detect who we were in the early years. It's not who we are now, and it's not who we're going to be in the future. We are hopefully learning and growing, and this journey is to find all these pieces to put our whole self together. And some of it's hidden, and we really have to dig. And that's a part of the journey too. That's a part of the rekindling of self. We want to be ready to shine in this amazing world, being the best version of ourselves. Have a wonderful week, everybody, and find something to rekindle with.
I know you can't get enough of Jean. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Jean's Words of the Week.